Hi everyone, so if you didn't know, there is a hurricane
Here comes the hurricane, bitch.
happening right now, and it's really funny because I come from a place where we probably get one like every year. We get a tropical storm pretty like often, like it's not something that's unusual. Myself on a date, I do need to go to Target, and I have a kitchen and I have nothing to eat anything with. No plates, no dishes, so I'm probably gonna get like a plate, a bowl, some basic utensils. All of that needs to get done today. And oh, I'm definitely getting myself flowers because that's the kind of girl I am. I love flowers. So yeah, and then when I come home, I'm gonna read and kind of enjoy this rainy weather. I usually am very anti-rain, but I feel like she's gonna be kind of a nice vibe, you know? I gotta appreciate it. Also, I'm gonna do my mascara real quick because it feels so weird without it. I'm debating if I want to do a full face of makeup for the fun of it, or this is the second time I've recorded a video where I've done this, and I'm so sorry. It's always when I'm doing my get ready part. So here's the part where you can clown me for filming in slow motion. So I just did my lashes, and now just gonna do some lip gloss and some eyebrows. Slay. Now we are ready. Time to do a good old fit check. So I go strong with this sweater. It's from American Eagle, and then these leggings are from Aerie. And yeah, then I'm just gonna wear my Mia boots, and things are from Mahina. This is from my grandma, or technically my mom, but she got it from my grandma. And then this is from Brandy Melville. So yeah. I was gonna grab a drink, but the line is way too long, and it's at a place called Dulce. I'm in the village right now, for those of you who know. But I don't actively enjoy Dulce. It's just like a once in a lifetime craving I get, and I only go when the line is short. So I'm just gonna go back to my dorm, probably take a quick shower. As much as I wish I could stay in this cove, just because I got a little rained on and wet earlier. I don't want to do that. I don't want to get sick, especially for the first week. That'd be rough. So yeah, these are the flowers I got from my me day myself. I know I really need to get a vase. So I'm gonna make my bed again so I can get nice and comfy. So this is supposed to be my movie snack, but I already ate half of it. These are so good. Childhood treat. I like loved these as a kid. Love. These are so good. if you finished watching the video, I hope you liked it and you enjoy more vlog content like this. And if you're in California or any of the places where Hurricane Hillary affected, hope you're safe and have a great school year and day, everyone.